Hi people. Now the USA is one country where you can undoubtedly become anything you want to be. Now this video is particularly for people, unskilled people who are looking for unskilled positions that could earn them visa sponsorships and help them relocate to the US and, earn their residency thereafter. If this sounds interesting to you, this is the video you want to watch till the very end. And if you know people, friends and family that can benefit from this video, kindly share this video with them. And if you're a first-time viewer, especially if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, I recommend you subscribe to the channel because in this channel I share very valuable information, opportunities that would help your relocation abroad be as seamless as possible. Now one more thing, put on your post notification bell so each time I upload videos on YouTube gets you notified and you're one of the first people who sees these opportunities and is able to apply for them. Now, having said all of that, let's go to my screen and I will show you what is up with the US Unskilled visa. Way on the screen, okay? So what's the name of this body? It's called the US Direct Hire LLC, okay? And they are the trusted name in EB3 visa. So EB3 visa in the US is the kind of visa that addresses or help unskilled workers to migrate into the US, okay? On a legal immigration path, okay? So the US Direct Hire is an immigration staffing company focused on EB3 unskilled visa. So this is what this company focuses on EB3 or EB3 unskilled visa. We also assist our clients, our US clients, in finding skilled remote workers. Our mission is to connect ambitious foreign nationals seeking US permanent residency. Did you hear that? With high quality eligible employers. Our goal is simple: to create a win-win relationship for the employer and the foreign national. So to learn whether you might be eligible for this US EB3 unskilled visa program or one of our many remote work opportunities, please contact us today. Now, I'd like to mention this, that the company partners with highly US immigration law firms specializing in EB3 visas who will guide you through the complex process. So your job here is to present yourself in such a way that you smack and get those jobs. But the complex and the rigorous immigration process of applying for this EB3 visa will be the job of professional lawyers who actually specialized in applying for this kind of visas. What does that tell you? It tells you that your chances of getting your visas approved is very, very high. The fact that it's being handled by professionals. So this is so good, guys. On top of that, they also help with your relocation. They also help you upon arrival to the US they help you settle into your new community. So let's quickly see what kind of jobs, okay? Remember, I said this kind of jobs are for unskilled workers, okay? They are for unskilled workers. That means you don't necessarily need to have a special skill. Sometimes a lot of people think these things are almost impossible, right? But yeah, the thing is, most of the developed countries are an aging population. So yeah, they need people most times, okay, to fill in these positions, even the unskilled positions. And that's why you have this job available. All you need to do is to get the right information, guys. So let's look at the positions, okay? Click into EB3 positions. So can you see that, guys? Hotel housekeeper, fast food cook, see $12 per hour to $15 per hour for that, $15 per hour. Estimated LC filing, so filing for your visa is spring 2024 and all of that. The job description, I'll leave that for all of you to I'll leave all of that for you to come in and read, okay? I don't want to make this video quite lengthy. I'm just quite excited right now. So you have the hotel front desk agent and production associate, retail associate, room attendant to read through, make sure to read through and see what job you qualify for. All you need here actually is to have experience, okay, and to present yourself, sell yourself well. So caregiver positions as well. Now I have tons of people looking for caregiver positions, sponsorship visas to the US and so many countries. These are the positions you should be applying for. Getting the right information and making your applications right now. Let me say this very importantly, guys. Make sure that your applications are very clean. Very importantly, your CV, okay? Make sure that you put out a well-written CV, okay? There are many resources out there to do your CVs, but if you need me to review your CV, I do that for a fee as well. You can send me an email and I'll send you the link to book for that as well. But make sure that this application is done with a standardized CV. Guys, that's the only thing that gives you the opportunity to even talk to the employer. Trust me, a lot of people are making this application. So, I mean, if your CV is not top notch, there is nothing that draws the employer's attention to you to even want to talk to you. Like, why? To pick you out of the crowd, right? So make sure that your CV is up to date. Now, guys, before we go any further in this video, I'd love to ask you for a favor. Kindly give the video a like. This helps to motivate me to keep creating content like this for you. And it also tells you too that my content are valuable to a lot of persons on this streets. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, it's everything, guys. This is really, really, really an interesting one. And if you have what it takes to apply for the job, guys, please go straight away and start doing your applications. Do not waste time at all. If you need a CV review, I'm happy to do that ASAP for you so you can apply as soon as possible, because the earlier you apply, the better chances you have. I don't need to tell you that, right? And if you know people who these opportunities would benefit, please be kind to share these opportunities with them. There are people looking around for all of these opportunities, but they haven't found them, right? So please, guys, please share the video with them. Thank you so much. And I hope you have given the video a like, by the way, before you leave the video. Do you love more of this kind of opportunities? Let me know in the comment section. I'd love to know, okay? Let me know if you're applying, and if it goes well for you, especially like if you're able to hit any of these jobs. I'd love to know. I love this feedback, this positive feedback, right? They motivate me to make more and more content for you, okay? And having said all of that, I see you in my next video. Stay safe, and remember, stay out of trouble. Bye.